Hello, and welcome to this month's Tween DIY video. In June, we are going to be making an aquarium in a jar. This goes along with our theme for the summer, which is tales as in animal tales, and tales as in story tales. We're going to be making an aquarium with a jar using items from the kit that you can pick up at the library. Here is what should be included in your bag. First, you should have gotten a mason jar. Mine that I'll be using for this example does have some stuff on the sides, but yours will be clear. You should have gotten a bag of aquarium rocks. So while these may look like little pieces of candy, they are not edible, they are aquarium rocks. And then finally, you should have gotten a bag with a bunch of goodies to put inside your jar. So that will include some aquarium plants, glow-in-the-dark seashells, and a sea creature. What you'll need from home includes water to fill up your jar. You can just use tap water from the faucet. If you have blue food coloring, you can add some to make it look more like an ocean, but that's entirely up to you. Let's go ahead and put our aquarium in a jar together. Let's put our aquarium together. So the first step, you'll take your mason jar and take off the lid. Set that aside. And the first thing you'll put in the bottom of your jar are your aquarium rocks. So go ahead and pour it in your jar. You should have enough to fill up the bottom. That's going to be the base for your aquarium. Next, you can decide how you want to lay out your other goodies for your aquarium based on the type of aquarium you want yours to be. So I'm going to put in my plant first, I think. Then I'll add one of my shells. Add this one next. And then I'm going to add my sea creature. Mine is an eel. So that's what'll be floating on the bottom of my aquarium. So feel free to arrange it. You may have to shake it to get the rocks to settle. Here is my aquarium. Now we need some water. Very carefully, I'm gonna fill up my aquarium. So I'm gonna turn the water on just a little bit and then fill up my aquarium. There we go. To finish it off, you can put your lid back on your jar. Again, before this point, if you have blue food coloring at home and want to add it, you can do that. I don't have any with me today. So there is my aquarium in a jar. So now I have a nice aquarium. I'm going to keep it on my desk where I can see it. It'll make me think of animals, and it's so much easier to care for these kind of animals and plants than it would be if I had a real aquarium. So anybody can have this in their home. I hope you enjoyed our aquarium in a jar. Be sure to check back in for Tween DIY next month. Happy summer, everybody. Be sure to participate in our summer reading program on Beanstack.